So, part A, what is the mass of 3.1 moles of magnesium chloride? Okay, so you have your compound, right? Magnesium chloride. You have a number of moles. Is there some way of relating moles to mass? Which is grams, right? Is there a way of doing that? What relates those? The grams per mole, which is your molar mass, right? Which are those numbers on the periodic table. Okay. And so you take this MgCl2, you look up the number for Mg on your periodic table, and I would highly recommend printing off those test periodic tables I give you so you get comfortable with them. Also, so you can look at the constants. I give you a lot of the constants and definitions at the top. It's actually quite useful. Okay, so you take that number for Mg. You would then add the number for Cl times 2. Okay? Okay, that will be your molar mass, which is in grams per mole. You guys want to go ahead and do that and tell me what it is? What is it? Is that the number for Mg?
No.
Okay, so you take Mg off the periodic table, and that's what, 24? Point whatever? Okay, so 24.2. Then it's going to be plus, Cl is like 34.5 or something, right? Okay, got them backwards. I guess I have a little dyslexia this morning. So 45.4. And so you'll take 45.4 times 2 plus that 24, that's the magnesium. Make sure you do at least 4 sig figs for those, or else you're going to be getting rounding error here, okay? And you have a really tough time putting your answer in. And that's probably something like 90 something. 95 or something like that. If you put your units in, you're going to be getting that in grams per mole. Okay, so 95.21 grams per mole. Very good. Yeah, I figured about 95. Okay, so you now have a grams per mole, right? You have a number of moles of this compound already, didn't you? Okay, so how would you convert that number of moles to grams then? Multiply, yeah. You have a number here, moles, right? In my case, it's 3.1 moles. You may have a different number. And you're going to take that and multiply it by that 95 grams per mole, right? Notice moles will cancel, leaving you in grams, right? Which is what you want for this problem. Okay. Anybody have any questions? Let me just make one little note here. Get very comfortable doing this, okay? This is something that you should be able to do when you're half asleep and drunk if you want it to be, okay? It is not something you want to have to spend time thinking about every time you see it on exam, because I'm going to be expecting you to be able to do like 20, 30 of that thing and just pop those out, because it's a very, very easy thing to do, okay?